Assalamu alaikum to everyone. Today we are going to discuss about the important MCQs of commerce. Our first topic is financial accounting and bookkeeping part 1. First MCQ is bookkeeping is mainly concerned with. Correct option is B. Recording financial data relating to business operations. Next question is the basic function of financial accounting is to record all business transactions. Correct option is A. Next question is which of the following is not an internal user of financial statements? Correct answer is A. Lenders. Next question is which of the following will not be recorded in the books of accounts? Correct option is D. Resignation of manager of Mr. Asif. Next is transactions are posted into ledger accounts from. Right option is both A and C. Journal and subsidiary books. Petty cash book has a balance of rupees 500. This represents. Right option is B. An asset. Purchase book is a part of. Right option is B. Journal. Sales book records the. Right option is B. Credit sales of goods dealt in. Wages paid on the installation of machinery rupees 500 had been debited to wages account. It is an error of principal. Right option is C. A sale of rupees 2500 was entered in the books as rupees 250. It is an error of commission. Right option is C. A trial balance is a part of a summary. Right option is C. Sales account will have a credit balance. Right option is B. Income is measured on the basis of matching concept. Right option is A. Which of the following is not an intangible asset? Right option is A. Investment. Ali deposited a check on 25th January 2011 for a sum of rupees 20,000. The check was collected on 2nd February 2011. If the bank balance as per passbook as on 31st January 2011 is rupees 60,000, then the balance as per cash book will be. Right answer is 80,000. Calculating a gross profit if rate of gross profit is 25% on sales and cost of goods sold is rupees 1,80,000. Right answer is A. 60,000. Bill is drawn on 20th January 2010 for 2 months. After sight, date of acceptance is 29th January 2010. The maturity date of bill will be. Right answer is 1st April 2010. Errors are intentional mistakes. Right option is B. In which area different accounting policies are adopted? Right option is all of these. Valuation of inventions, valuation of investment, and depreciation. Heavy amount spent for the advertisement of new company product is called as deferred revenue expenditure. Right option is B. Income in case of sole trader is treated as personal expense. Right option is A. Which error cannot be revealed on the preparation of trial balance? Right answer is B. Compensatory error. A building was purchased for rupees 4 lakh on 1st March 2009. On 31st March 2010, its net realizable value was 5 lakh. The value of building to be shown in the books as on 31st March 2010 will be at, right answer is A, cost price. Goods worth rupees 7,000 given as charity should be credited. Right option is C, to purchase account. Amjad draws a 40 days bill on 20th January 2012. The bill matures on, right option is A, 4th March 2010. The trial balance checks arithmetic accuracy of books of accounts. Right option is D. Cost of goods sold rupees 1,50,000, closing stock rupees 40,000, opening stock rupees 60,000. Then amount of purchase will be 1,30,000. Correct option is A. A bill of exchange matures on 15 August, but it is a public holiday. Then the bill will mature on, right option is C, 14th August. Return inwards are deducted from, right answer is sales, option B. Rent of proprietor's house paid from account on cash will reduce the cash as well as capital of the business. Right option is D. Opening stock understated by 20,000 and closing stock overstated by 25,000. The net profit is overstated by 45,000. Right option is B. When a bill is endorsed, credit is given to bill receivable account. Right option is A. Bill at site has a grace period of, right option is D, none of these. Our next topics for the post of lecturer of commerce are marketing, finance, entrepreneurship, trade, income tax, money, banking and finance. We will cover these topics one by one in our next videos. Thank you for watching the video.